pretty much to the switch. If this isn't on there, it's not going to activate the heat.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Brian from 110 Detailing. I'm in my personal vehicle right now. Right now, we're driving to drop off my Mytee. If you've seen my previous video, I had some issues with Mytee. We'll go deep into that story, but stay with me. You hear the GPS. We're going to the Mytee repair store right now. I see you guys there. Let's talk to the guy, the owner. Hopefully, he let me talk to you guys on camera. I missed my turn, but we'll get there, guys. I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, so I'm here at New England Steamway. These are the guys that's gonna be repairing my Mytee. You can see the sign up there. This is the Mytee. All right, so yeah, Mytee referred me to this company here. This is listed on their website, Mytee website. I'm gonna flip the camera in a second. I have everything boxed up in the box. Because I was actually going to return it through Amazon, but I found out that it is a third-party wholesaler. They was trying to charge me to return it. I was not okay with paying the fee that they was trying to charge me, which was $105. So here we go. I'm gonna take the package out the car, and we're gonna walk inside, and we're going to get this process started. Hopefully he lets me record, guys. Hopefully. Let's try this out. All right, so guys, we're inside the store. Open up the package. We're gonna look at the components before we actually have them repair it. Just check a few things to make sure it's nothing silly. And I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Thank you. Detailer's heaven. Extractors. Oh my God, detailer's heaven. Jeez. I appreciate this guy for letting me show a few things. You guys are good. That fast, they simply find out what the problem was. A little piece that was supposed to be connected to a switch is not making the heater fully activate. Must have got damaged during shipping. I don't know what these guys did, but my machine is completely new, man. But nice to see that Mytee still by their work, warranted it. Get me back working and do some extraction jobs. That's exactly what's happening.
Yeah, because of that. That's the reason why right there.
So explain that one more time for YouTube.
So this is, it's like I guess a temp sender in a way.
Yes.
And what it does is it prevents the unit from overheating.
Okay.
So if it's broken, it's just going to keep heating because it doesn't know when to stop.
Wow.
Okay, so this is like, say it's rated for 190 degrees.
Right.
At 190, it's going to kill itself, shut the heater down, and it'll keep going. You know, as it needs it, it'll just turn itself back on.
Wow.
Okay, with the switch and everything.
Wow, thank you for that. Thank you.
Yep.